Intricloud provides instant recovery of data systems and servers with the ease of one click with Nimbus Disaster Recovery Cloud. Nimbus delivers high availability from a single on-site appliance and disaster recovery from a second appliance in the cloud. Nimbus takes snapshots of the servers and creates virtual clones. If the server goes down, it only takes one click for the appliance to take over, and with on-demand system testing, recovery is assured in the event of a failure. Now let's look at a product demonstration. This is a view of the easy-to-use console that controls the Nimbus appliance. The appliance typically resides on the same side as your servers and is connected to another Nimbus appliance in the cloud. Each row shows one of 3 servers being protected. When first deploying a set of Nimbus appliances, I click this Protect Me button, which downloads agents to each server. When the agents are installed, I can see this dashboard of health, and the green circle indicates the server is connected and a live connection exists between the agent on the server and the local Nimbus appliance. Whether a server is physical or virtual, it is called the protected node, and its clone created on a Nimbus appliance is called the recovery node. By scrolling over the green circle, I see the recovery node of the protected server is up to date and ready to run should the need arise. Here I see the status of the last backup, the next scheduled backup, and a measurement of backup speed. When using the Nimbus Cloud service, I can see the same measurement of backup speed between the local Nimbus appliance and the Nimbus Cloud data center. And now, for the purposes of this demo, I will force the SQL Server to fail, and we can see what happens. The SQL Server is now down, and when its users submit queries, there is no response. The users are blocked, but fortunately, the local Nimbus appliance is still running. As I look at the Nimbus appliance console, I see that the SQL Server is no longer running. In fact, Nimbus has already sent an email to me indicating the loss of that server during the server failure. If I had been out of the office or out of the country, I can still access the console through any web browser on a PC, tablet, or smartphone, and take the appropriate action. Now, while my first instinct may be to troubleshoot the server, in this scenario, I have a virtual clone, the recovery node, ready to run. So before working on the SQL Server, I will unlock the Nimbus user interface and bring up the recovery node on the production network. Now I will click over the recovery node tab. I can see that the power state has changed and the recovery node is booting up. So in just a few minutes, the application and server are back in production. The recovery node is entirely taking over for the protected node, and there is a seamless transition for the users. I did not have to take any service offline or conduct any restore either from tape or disk. I did not need to provision any new hardware, and I didn't need to create a map to any new storage. Just one click on a server and it's back up and running. And had the entire location gone down, I would use the exact same process to power up the recovery node from the cloud. And now I'm going to click on a self-test. I will actually bring up a server to make sure the operating system loads. With the Nimbus solution, I can run an automated disaster recovery test every day, which gives me great confidence that the DR plan will work should the need arise. Next is the Retrieval tab, which enables me to fail back to the active recovery node from the original protected server. Let's say that there was a catastrophic failure and I lost all the data on a particular server. In this case, Nimbus provides an ISO or boot image that I would load onto my new hardware from my thumb drive or CD, or if my servers are virtual, I would just upload that ISO image and the server will then automatically connect to the appliance and download the very latest snapshot. Thank you for watching this Intricloud demonstration of Nimbus Disaster Recovery Cloud solution.